So today we're going to be talking about the different layers within the atmosphere. And there's four main layers that are classified by the changes in temperature. So as you increase our altitude, each individual layer of the atmosphere is going to either increase or decrease its temperature. The four layers then are separated by a pause, which is the area where the temperature changes go in the opposite direction. So again, when we may be decreasing in one layer, as we get to a pause for another layer, the temperature is going to start going in the opposite direction and begin to increase. So here are the four different layers. We have the troposphere, which is closest to Earth. We then have the stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the thermosphere. And the troposphere is going to be separated from the stratosphere with the tropopause. The stratosphere, then the stratopause, the mesosphere, the mesopause, and so on and so forth. The thermosphere does not have a pause because the thermosphere will eventually turn into outer space. So the lowest layer is called the troposphere. Here is where airliners will fly. Next to Earth's surface, it is also the densest layer, and it also contains almost all of the mass of the atmosphere. So the air here is going to be very, very dense. Because of that, we contain most of Earth's CO2 levels, water vapor, clouds, air pollution, weather, and life. As altitude increases in this layer, temperature is going to begin to decrease. So heat that hits Earth's surface will radiate up, but eventually it's going to dissipate and disappear and get very, very cold towards the top of the troposphere. Then we have the stratosphere. It's extremely cold here. Military planes will fly here because of clear skies and strong winds, and temperature is going to rise as altitude increases because ozone, or O3, absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The ozone layer is what's protecting life on Earth by absorbing harmful radiation. So the ozone layer then is a pale blue gas with a strong odor, and 90% of all ozone is found in the stratosphere, while 10% is found in the troposphere. The ozone is extremely important because it's blocking most of those harmful UV radiation waves from hitting Earth and damaging the environment we live in as well as ourselves.